bitterness, bitter cucumber's name. From Hahnemann's proven you rose to fame. In the cucurbitaceae family you grow, with symptoms so vivid we've got to know. From 4 to 9 when the clock's ticking slow, your pains come a-calling, they steal the show. Colocynthis, oh you twist and you bend for that colic so bad. You're the patient's friend, bending double, pressing hard, you'll feel right. Sing the Colocynthis Blues through the day and night. Left side it's sciatica, vertigo, spin. Colocynthis, you're the remedy to win. Me now, indignation's the spark that furrows the brow. No food, no talk, just leave me alone. With bread and beer I might not moan. Vertigo hits when I turn my head fast, confusion and pain like a storm that won't pass. Colocynthis, oh you twist and you bend for that colic so bad. You're the patient's friend, bending double, pressing hard, you feel right. Sing the Colocynthis Blues through the day and night. Left side it's it grips you tight, agonizing pain in the belly's fight. Bend like a pretzel, press on the spot. Pass some flatus and the pain's forgot. Sciatica shoots like a lightning bolt. Left hip to knee, it's a painful jolt. Left-sided remedy, that's your claim. Neuralgia, rheumatism, you know the game. Lie on the sore side, it feels so fine. Hard pressure's the trick to ease the spine. Lumbago or colic, you've got the cure. Colocynthis, your power so pure. Colocynthis, so you twist and you bend for that colic's friend bad. You're the patient's friend, bending double, pressing hard, you'll feel right. Sing the Colocynthis Blues through the day and night. Left side it's sciatica, vertigo, spin. Colocynthis, you're the remedy to win. So raise your voice for the bitter cure. For homeopaths everywhere, it's the one we adore. From 4 to 9 when the pains come alive, Colocynthis Blues gonna help you thrive. Sing it loud, let the remedy shine. Colocynthis, you're forever